Hello and welcome to a product review, and today I'm going to be looking at this. This is a wireless microphone system that has it's from Azden. Okay, Azden, and it works on the 2.4 gigahertz, very similar to the DeLorean time traveling machine.
To generate the 1.21 gigawatts of electricity.
What did I just say?
The flux capacitor stores. This sucker's electrical. But I need a nuclear reaction to generate the 1.21 gigawatts of electricity.
1.21 gigawatts!
However, I digress. So this is a wireless microphone system that is going to be used on my gimbal arrangement, and hopefully it will allow me to record on my H1 zoom from a wireless point of view. Right, let's stop talking and open up the packet. So we open up this plastic ouch, that was sharp. Wow, that's a bit sharp. And we pull out the box. There's a cardboard insert. What's that? Now it's made up of two sections. Oh God, it's going everywhere. Just gone everywhere, all over the floor, everything. Right, let me just sort myself out. Okay, oh God, here we go again. Okay, so this part and the other part seems to be stuck on there for some. Oh yeah, it's got a little clip on the back. So this is your transmitter. It has a sort of a clip on the back, so you could clip it on your belt or in your pocket somewhere, I don't know. Now I'm just thinking, have I been done? I've been done because there's no batteries in it. There's the receiver with the aerial, little bendy aerial thing, and a cold shoe mount on the bottom, which is one of the reasons why I got it, because it's going to go onto my gimbal arrangement, and they will have twin cold shoe mounts, one for the H1 zoom and the other one for this one, so there'll be two connected onto my gimbal. That is actually the receiver. Now I am actually thinking that I've been done. Oh no, wait. I'm an idiot. I'm reviewing this one. I've forgotten that these are actually built in. They're built into the actual devices. There's no separate batteries. The trouble is, I'll be honest with you, the trouble is that when you've been watching reviews, trying to find the best device you can buy, and you watch all these reviews and they're all very similar. Some of them which they come with batteries, and some devices they don't. And this one in particular, the Pro XD, the actual battery is USB chargeable, so you could actually have it using a power pack. You could run it all the time with a power pack to maintain the charge, but this is actually built into the machine. There is a lifetime, I think it's 3,200 hours or something like that, so quite a long life on the batteries. However, there's no way to change them, So apparently you have to send it back to Azden, and they will obviously sort you out with some replacement batteries. I presume. I don't know. I've never. I'm only telling you what I've seen on the internet. So, having done that, we've got the receiver and the transmitter. We come with a USB cable. Pretty much standard. I've got loads of these. Basically, same as the. This is the same as the Hero 4, and the EOS, and the Tascam, and loads of other devices. There is a lapel microphone there, which is one of the things I'm going to have. I'm going to wear the lapel mic on your shirt. There is a stereo adapter cable, 3.5 to 3.5. Now there is a special cable there with a 3.5 female and a what they call a TRRS, which it will go into your mobile phone if you have one with the connector on it. Now you can actually record from the wireless system into your mobile phone, which I think is quite clever. Then there is a power pack, a USB charging device, which is that block there. And obviously you plug the USB cable into that side. But the unique thing about this is that it can be changed for different countries. So whereas we in the UK we have a 3-pin plug, hey presto, it comes with a 3-pin plug adapter, and that will slide onto the device somehow. Presume it goes round that way. So you end up with a normal mains powered USB charging plug. And then lastly we have the very small the manual, which, you know, apart from it saying that there's a 2-year warranty on it, probably not going to read it anyway. So there we go. Now, so we'll have a little review of that. We'll set the thing up and then we will see if we can record. Now currently I'm recording on the Zoom using my Rode video micro, which you can watch a review for. If you want to, you can watch the review that will be appearing very soon. So let me get this wired up and we will see what happens then. Okay, so come back in a minute. Right then, so we're now recording using the lavalier. I will start that again. Right then, so we're now all set up for the lavalier mic going into my where have I put it? Oh, this one, into the transmitter, which is this here. This obviously will be near me or in my pocket or, you know, somewhere convenient, and then that goes wirelessly to the receiver. Now the receiver I've played around with and I've actually set it so that it's actually peaking at the 12 mark, just around the 12, so that if I do happen to speak loudly, it won't go more than 4, so that's -4 on the H1, which is down here. You can just, I'll let you have a little look at the equipment. You can see this is the the zoom, and this is the receiver, and I'm recording now so that we're getting a 12 or a -4 as a maximum volume level. Come back to me. I'm over here. That's it. Lovely. Well done. Now, it's really quite clever because there's no buttons on the side or anywhere that you can sort of accidentally switch off or switch on. But there is a button here that you have to press. It's part of the side of the transmitter. So on the transmitter around this side you have a little switch, because not only can you have your lavalier mic, you could have another input because it has a line input, and the switch here allows you to have lavalier, line, or both. So you could actually have two devices and recording into the same device, audio recorder device. So it does have an auxiliary line input there. On the top we have the two lights, which signifies that it's turned on, and the receiver has the same lights. There's two lights there, and a little tiny aerial, which you can actually unscrew it, and it's a copper connector underneath it. So you could, if you, I don't know why you would, but you could. And then the clip on the back here is very fragile. It's, well, I say very fragile. According to the reviews on the other reviews there, you have to be fairly reasonably careful with it. But if you're, I would probably just put it in my pocket as it is, because I've got trouble with this clip as well, because this clip on this lavalier is not very easy to do. I couldn't actually get it onto my clothing, so I may well have problems with the clip. I may have to investigate another clip. So this one has a better clip. But it can come off this, but I wouldn't like to try. But I could probably get another clip from somewhere and make sure that it's clipped onto my clothing better. So and then obviously on the bottom of that you have the USB port for charging the batteries. As always with my product reviews, I do the review and then I'll give you an update later on when I've used it for a little while, and I'll come back to you and tell you how good it is or not, depending on how good it is. So keep this in mind. The actual cost of it, you can find it on Amazon, and that's where I bought it from, Amazon, and I believe it was about 200 quid, which sounds a lot of money for some sort of audio system, but in actual fact, if you go for a well-known make like Sennheiser or Rode, you'll be paying a lot more money for it. So this system is really good. It's very reliable, but you have to be aware that some of the Wi-Fi systems, they use the same range of wireless, what do you call it? Wireless frequencies. So you may have interference with your microphone when you're out and about. Right, well, thank you for watching. Hello and welcome to a product review, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Rode Video Micro. It's a external microphone used for cameras, DSLR, or any application where you want to be able to record external audio, maybe into an audio recorder device. give me a thumbs up and a like and a share, and don't forget to come back again very soon for another one. Thank you and goodbye.